Hey everybody. It's come to my attention apparently that we are doing the THD thing wrong. I was not aware of this until today, and I don't think anyone else was either. To avoid issues in the future, I'm going to just run us through exactly what it is that we do when we are trying to look up someone in the cluster bucket to verify whether they are actually still living in the dorms. First, obviously start the thing up. If you don't have access to it, let me know. Or you can just be quiet and not worry about it because you don't want to do this, because I wouldn't blame you. Enter the person's name in. This is the person that it came to my attention today that I had been really severely messing up. So enter their names in. Typically what we do for these people is once we look them up, we go to students, and then we do this just general screen. And we had been going to this part right here where it says permanent P.O. box and seeing if they had one there. Because it was my understanding that once they were no longer in the dorms, they emptied that out. Apparently that is not the case anymore. Jody in housing said that they are trying to keep those numbers there so that if the student returns, they can assign them the same RSC box. I don't know if that's new or not. So anyway, where we need to be going to find out if they are actually here or not is assignments. And this is easy because it's the only one other than students that we actually have access to. All the other ones are blank. So go to assignments, and you're going to see here the information that you need to know. Now, you may have already known this, but what you may not have known is that we have this handy dandy little thing in the upper left hand corner here that you have to select the correct term. So basically, if you started using this in fall 2018 like I did, it's going to stay fall 2018, which doesn't help anybody with anything because none of that information is relevant anymore. So make sure that this has the correct term selected. And I don't know why it's not showing anything, but it's not. Okay, assignments. Okay, there we go. So here it shows that she moved out 2/23. The checkout date, again, as I'm sure everyone except me understands, is like that you checked out for winter break or whatever. But moved out is the date that we're looking for. Excuse me. So when we are looking through THD, this is what we need to go based off of as opposed to originally what we were doing here. So anyway, if you have any questions, let me know. And I will do my best to answer them. But in the meantime, just keep doing what you're doing.